The Wing 6 drone is a versatile and powerful aerial photography and fishing drone that takes your flying and capturing experience to new heights. Equipped with an 8K camera and a 3-axis electronic stabilization gimbal, this drone ensures smooth and stunning high-resolution footage, whether you're exploring landscapes, capturing action shots, or filming your fishing adventures. Its laser obstacle avoidance and anti-shake technology offer superior stability and safety while flying. Designed for both beginners and experienced drone pilots, the Wing 6 drone offers an array of impressive features, including GPS intelligent tracking, image recognition follow me, and a one-click return function. Whether you're a content creator or an outdoor enthusiast, the Wing 6 drone is engineered to perform in a variety of environments, even in strong winds, making it an excellent choice for all kinds of aerial activities. Key features of Wing 6 drone: 8K camera with 3-axis electronic stabilization gimbal for high-quality, steady imagery. Laser obstacle avoidance and anti-shake technology for safe, stable flights. GPS one-click return for easy retrieval, including low battery or no signal return. Gesture recognition. Capture stunning photos or videos with just a simple gesture, within 1 to 3 meters. Intelligent tracking. Follow moving objects with image recognition follow me, 3-10M, or GPS follow me, 10-100M. Multi-point route planning. Set a predetermined flight path for autonomous flying while you focus on capturing content. Fixed point surround. Surround a specific area with customizable radius settings for dynamic shots. Gesture and camera recognition. Shoot videos and images with ease using intuitive hand gestures. 45-minute flight time with a fast-charging 11.4V 4500 mAh lithium battery. Control distance up to 10,000 meters and Wi-Fi image transmission up to 6,000 meters, outdoor and unobstructed. Specifications: camera resolution, 8K video, 7680 by 4320, and 4K photo, 3840 by 2160, for exceptional clarity. Camera lens FOV, 110 degrees. Mechanical range, tilt, x-35 degrees to plus 35 degrees, roll, y-100 degrees to plus 70 degrees, adjustable angle, -80 degrees to plus 0 degrees. Battery, 11.4V 4500 mAh intelligent lithium battery. Charging time, drone battery, about 2 hours. Remote control, about 2.5 hours. Product size, unfolded, 40 by 40 by 12 centimeters, folded, 23 by 12 by 13 centimeters. Weight, 783 grams. Photo format, JPG, video format, MP4. SD card, supports 32 GB to 128 GB. Included in the box: Wing 6 RC drone, remote controller, USB charging cable, 2 spare propellers, user manual. Whether you're capturing breathtaking views or filming an exciting fishing trip, the Wing 6 drone delivers stunning results with ease. With its array of advanced features and robust build, it is perfect for those who want to explore the skies, capture high-definition footage, and enjoy a seamless flying experience. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and tech tips.